I gave you my heart.
After this video is done, don't show it, cause no freak out, no freak out.
Yeah, it's in 20 minutes.
Anyways, after that video is done, and after I finish my drink, I'm gonna get my nails done. Not right now, cause I'm vibing. Okay?
That's it. I'm never gonna get my nails done.
It's really not, cause I just got finished. Not recording. Watching a video. Or not for that.
Okay. You sticking with that?
Yes.
We got 100% of footage, so you better not back out of it. I'm gonna come back because in 20 minutes I can finish my nails. In 20 minutes I can finish my nails, so I'm sticking to your word. Okay, cuties, she actually came. So now she's gonna get her nails did instead of mine. Let's see how this one. Okay, your knees. Now I gotta get a certain color. I should have grabbed the blue one. Want me to do my nails in blue? Or do you want to do my nails? Do you want me to do my nails in blue?
It's up to you.
Are you mad at me? Are you just doing that one? Yeah, I know. I did same cup. And that's why the nails are looking like that. Swirl, 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 swirl. So, you satisfied? So, you want to close the video out? Okay. Breakfast. 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 It doesn't make breakfast in lobby in the morning breakfast. It doesn't mean breakfast. It means breakfast. I probably want to be doing more series of this. I don't know, leave a comment down below if you want me to do more of this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. And why not join the Cutie fam? And go follow my sister's channel, which I'll link it right here. Go follow AB Wolf Bites, AB Wolf Games, and AB Wolf Follows. Oops. I said follows.
AB Wolf.
Yeah, she changed it recently. Well, that's it for the video. I'll see you next video. Bye, cuties!
And you know why? Because you always keep the camera on me.
Yeah.